What's up guys, it's J Marie and welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited to be sharing this unit with you guys from ilikehairwig.com, and it's their beginner friendly short curly pixie cut bob wig. Now this unit is 8 inches long and it's 100% virgin human hair with 150% density, and the color is natural black. It does come with adjustable straps along with 3 combs. You get 1 in the back and 2 right at the ear. Now I'm going to start off by just going ahead and co-washing this unit, and I'm using the Aussie 3-minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. Don't forget to check the description box down below. I will have all the products listed and also the link to ilikehairwig.com. That way you can get your hands on this unit, and you can also get an extra 25% off with my coupon code JMarie25. So guys, I have my unit right here. It has been drying for about like an hour and a half while I was getting ready, and now let's get to the fun part, which is defining the curls. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this unit on. I say it's about 70% dry at the moment, so I want to get it on before it gets too dry. That way I don't have to apply a lot of water. Fix my straps. Make sure everything nice and tight. I like that it doesn't have a bunch of combs in it. You just get those 3 combs. Ooh, look at that. This looks very natural. This actually looks like my hair, but my hair is a whole lot tighter. The curls are a whole lot tighter than this. So that's a plus that I got a unit that, girl, I can fake my curls. I'm just gonna go in with my little Tangle Teaser. I think that's what this brush is called. And I just want to brush that out. And look at that, guys. This is a great protective style, especially if you're natural or if you are thinking about going natural. Perfect style, because that way you kind of get an idea what you will look like. I know that was my biggest issue when I first went natural, was how would I look with my natural hair? Now there are so many companies like I Like Hair Wigs that create these type of units. That way, if you are a girl that's going natural, you will have an idea. You'll know what you are looking like with your hair natural. And you know, I think it's really nice too, also for like protecting your natural hair when you're going through that transitioning phase. So this unit, I feel like is perfect for that. This is cute. Look, I like it like this because it just looks like my natural hair just jumping out the shower, which my natural hair does not look like this. Right at the shower is more packed to my head. So I'm loving like this little Jerry curl look. So cute, nice little fro. Tell me what you think. Comment down below if you guys are feeling it just like this, right out of the co-wash phase with no product in it. Look at that. Look at those curls. I like it. I like these curls. But we're gonna step it up a notch. So I'm starting off by using some curling hand smoothie from Shea Moisture. Don't have much of it left, but I want to put some on it just to put some moisture in this hair. Because this is a natural texture hair wig, we still have to make sure we moisturize it, because if we don't, it will do just like our natural hair, shrink up and it'll look dry. So we have to make sure we put some moisture in these units as well. It's just like taking care of your own hair. I tell people with a natural type wig, you still have to put in the work, but you get to fake it, like what I'm doing right now with these curls. I am faking it, baby. I'm gonna brush that in. I'm going in with the Aussie Volume Mousse and just put some of this mousse all over. Trying to find the center right here. There we go. Kind of got off track. I'm gonna go in with another step, and that is I'm gonna add some of my Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Gel. And this is gonna really make these curls clump and also give it a nice hold. There we go, I have to bring it down some. Okay, I may snip some little pieces in the front. But first, let's brush this. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, so I Like Hair has done it again, guys. This hair is gorgeous. I don't know if you guys seen my review where I did on their L part unit. It came out so nice with their curls, and this unit is just the same. Beautiful curls. Look at that. All right, guys, I think I am liking how these curls are looking right now. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and allow my hair to air dry. So now that my hair is nice and dry, I'm gonna go ahead and fluff it out. And this is a completed look, guys. I am in love with this short curly pixie cut bob from ilikehair.com. Make sure you guys go right now in the comment section and give me a heart if you are loving this style. It's really giving me that 70s vibe, which you know I absolutely love. I'm really looking like a sexy 70s babe girl. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.